Hey everyone, welcome to Prime Pip FX where we teach how to trade safely, not how to gamble. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, risk management. Trading is a game of probability. You can learn strategy from anywhere and it is only 20% of your success in trading. Rest of 80% includes your psychology and risk management. Risk management is very important topic. Although you learned, if I bring you on chart, you learned that here you can prices will go up and you put a buy trade here. If you did not manage your risk, imagine it you won this trade if you have risked $5 and you made $10 here. Okay. Then again market came here and you again put an entry. But you did not manage your risk and you put an SL like here, your SL of $10. Now, once your SL will hit, you will lose $5 instead. So, risk management is very important. Most widely used risk to reward ratio is 1:2 minimum. 1:1 could also be used like if you bet $5 on a trade, you should get $5 in profit or $5 in loss. It would be 1:1, and in 1:2 you have to put $5 as your stop loss, and your TP would be at $10. So this is a risk to reward ratio. You can calculate your risk to reward according to your account size. You can go to my FX book and open my FX calculator. Here you can open position size calculator and you will select your pair. Like we are going to select gold. XAU USD. You will type your account size. Let's say you have a $1,000 of account size. Maximum risk to reward, maximum risk on each trade would not more than 2%. So we will add 2%. We will calculate our pips. To calculate pips, we will use this uh, scale. We will put this and imagine our risk is here. So our risk is around 53 cents. We will put 53 pips here. And for gold, keep in mind we will use 0.01 and calculate. No, you will get, we can use 0.04 lot size if our stop loss is at 53 pips down, and we will lose 20%, which is 2% of 1000. So this is risk to reward ratio. uh, if you want to learn proper trading from basic to advanced, included everything from risk management, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, technical analysis, and then practices. If you are willing to give 1 month to our paid course, you can definitely be a successful trader in life. Thank you so much for watching this video and please follow us on this channel.